Our bodies are more than just physical matter, they are also vibrant fields of energy. This energy flows through 7 primary centers known as chakras. Originating from ancient Indian traditions, chakras are spinning wheels of energy. Each chakra governs specific emotional, spiritual, and physical aspects. The base chakra grounds us, while the sacral chakra is linked to creativity and passion. The solar plexus chakra governs personal power, and the heart chakra is the wellspring of love. The throat chakra is the center of communication, and the third eye chakra governs intuition. Lastly, the crown chakra connects us to the divine. Balanced chakras promote well-being, while blockages can lead to imbalances. Understanding chakras helps us address these imbalances for greater harmony. Much like a musical instrument producing discordant sounds when out of tune, our bodies signal us when our chakras are imbalanced. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards restoring harmony. Each chakra displays unique symptoms when its energy flow is disrupted. A blocked root chakra might manifest as feelings of insecurity or fear, often accompanied by financial worries. Imbalances in the sacral chakra can lead to emotional instability or creative blocks. Feeling powerless or lacking confidence can indicate a blocked solar plexus chakra. Moving to the heart chakra, an imbalance might present as difficulty loving and receiving love. If the throat chakra is blocked, we might struggle to communicate our needs. An imbalanced third eye chakra can manifest as poor intuition or lack of clarity. Lastly, a blocked crown chakra might lead to feelings of disconnection from ourselves and others. By paying attention to our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, we can learn to recognize when our energy centers are out of alignment. Fortunately, numerous techniques can help us realign our chakras and restore the harmonious flow of energy within our bodies. These practices encompass a range of approaches, from simple breathing exercises to more involved practices like yoga and meditation. Grounding exercises such as walking barefoot on grass or visualizing roots growing from our feet into the earth can help balance the root chakra. Engaging in creative pursuits, dancing freely, or indulging in sensual pleasures can stimulate and align the sacral chakra. Practicing self-compassion, setting healthy boundaries, and engaging in activities that boost confidence can help balance the solar plexus chakra. Cultivating gratitude, spending time in nature, and practicing forgiveness can open and balance the heart chakra. Expressing ourselves authentically, whether through writing, singing, or speaking our truth, can help align the throat chakra. Meditation, mindfulness, and engaging in activities that stimulate the imagination can help balance the third eye chakra. Finally, practices like yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature can help open and align the crown chakra. These techniques, practiced consistently, can help us clear blockages, restore balance, and enhance our overall well-being. Remember, chakra balancing is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Let's explore the first steps on the path for beginners. Embarking on the journey of chakra balancing might seem daunting at first, but it's a process that can be approached gradually and gently. Here are a few tips for beginners. Start with one chakra. Instead of trying to balance all 7 chakras at once, focus on one at a time. Choose the chakra that resonates with you most based on your current emotional or physical state. Incorporate simple practices. Begin with easy-to-implement techniques like deep breathing exercises, affirmations, or spending time in nature. Gradually incorporate more involved practices like yoga or meditation as you feel ready. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to different techniques. If something feels uncomfortable or forced, adjust the practice or try a different approach. Remember, consistency is key. Even dedicating a few minutes each day to chakra balancing can bring about positive shifts in your emotional and physical well-being. Enjoy reaping the rewards and emotional benefits of aligned chakras. The benefits of balanced chakras extend far beyond the physical realm, profoundly impacting our emotional well-being. As energy flows freely through our energy centers, we experience a greater sense of harmony, peace, and vitality. When our chakras are aligned, we feel more grounded and secure, fostering a sense of inner peace and stability. Our relationships with ourselves and others become more harmonious as we cultivate self-love, compassion, and empathy. We tap into our inner strength and confidence, allowing us to pursue our passions and dreams with greater clarity and purpose. Chakra balancing empowers us to navigate life's challenges with greater resilience and grace. It allows us to connect more deeply with ourselves and the world around us, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and joyful life experience. Like and subscribe for messages from Higher Self.